The time has come. I get to tell the homeowners that they have the ugliest house in America. Is that mean? They'll be fine. They get a free rental. Hey, Tammy and Jeff!
Hi!
Come outside. I have something for you. It's just a little... Let me grab it.
Hello! Does this mean? Yeah. Holy crap! Oh my God!
You've been selected the ugliest house in America!
Thank God. Oh, I'm so excited for you. I am so ready to do this again. To make something, beautiful that was once so ugly. And to work with Retta, I love this. So the signage obviously starts out here.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. Talk to me about this. So did you guys paint the house this color when you bought it?
We did.
And would you be open to a new color on the exterior?
Absolutely.
Okay. I really want the exterior of the house to fit in with its beautiful surroundings by doing a color that's a little less offensive. Sorry, Tammy. Landscape-wise, I want to emphasize that this actually is paradise with some really vibrant trees and plants all around. Like, listen, we're in Florida.
Right.
You want some fun colors.
You can do anything you want.
Anything?
Just don't put a toilet in the middle of my dining room and I'm good.
It all starts outside, but I got to see this inside.
All right, let's go inside.
Come on.
I'm good. I've seen it.
This is it.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
You don't know where to look. There's a lot going on. Tammy and Jeff love this coastal vibe. I don't want to take them, too far away from what they love, but I also need to clear the clutter. We need to clean this thing up. So nothing goes up to the ceiling?
Right, it's all open.
Oh, so all the HVAC runs through the middle?
Yeah.
It's like a treehouse for air.
I call it like a periscope. It makes me think of a submarine, like we're underwater drowning.
The tile's terrible, and then there's these walls. It's just like that knotty whatever. I don't know. Is that pine or what is that?
It's Pecky cypress.
Pecky cypress. Mm-hmm. I've never heard of Pecky cypress before. It's definitely not a Chicago thing. It's ugly as Whoa. All this was up.
Oh yeah, we have not added walls.
You have this mishmash of flooring, and is this like how you hang out by a fireplace? What do? Your back is to it?
Yeah.
There is gonna be some massive rearranging in here. I'm gonna start by giving you totally new floors and new walls that actually go to the ceiling and don't have holes in them. The layout has to be totally different because right now this space has no focal point. All right, I wanna see the kitchen. Look at this. Was this like a bar? I love kitchens, and I don't love this one.
Oh, no.
I think the whole thing has to go. Because your house has 8 sides and a vaulted ceiling, the best option here is really to just do an open layout, which is gonna make it beautiful with all the new cabinetry and a big island. That should work. Okay. So I've never worked inside of an octagon. So what's on the other side of this? What's on the flip side?
That's our main bedroom.
That's your bedroom?
Yeah.
That's where you guys go to just sleep? Mm-hmm. Because you can't do anything else, right? So this is how you get into your bedroom.
We have to enter into one big bathroom. So
if I were to pee in here, you could hear me pee?
yeah, I can hear you.
Ew. And not just ew, it's like, why?
That's our main bedroom. Obviously, with no wall, you can hear everything going on in the house.
Everything. No way this can be the main bedroom anymore. Jeff, why don't you get in the kitchen and kick it?
We're good?
Okay.
I don't think it's coming down.
This is a nice door. Look, it still closes almost. Okay, well, scratch that. Pop it off.
I'm scared.
Try it. Don't be scared. You got it.
Well, there you go, Retta.
It's just breaking.
It's real pecky.
Pesky cypress is real pesky.
Let me see this thing.
You know this ain't for me.
God, I hate this wood. Pesky pine. What's it again?
It's Pecky Cypress.
Pecky Cypress. I don't want to offend the wood people, but I hate the name of that wood. Right?
Pesky.
Pecky.
Pine.
Not pine. And not easy to take off a wall.
This is my least favorite part. I like when we go antique shopping. Oh, there we go. Well done.
We got one piece. At this point, I would say, obviously this is a job for the pros. You looked cool, right?
Can we get him a tool belt? It's kind of turning me on.
Whoa!
We'll wait till, we got the walls up.
It's time to bring in our contractors. We got a whole lot of work in this house, so the minute they get this cleared out is the minute we can start. It's all coming down. I mean everything. All the walls, all the ugly styles of flooring and terrible cabinetry. I've got a whole new layout plan to help make this weird octagon more functional for Tammy's family. We're literally in the middle of paradise, okay? Outside. Not inside. Outside is plush and mature. The problem is, then you come up to the house and it's kind of like, meh. This house has curves, and
Yes.
I love that.
Yep.
But it's like, how do we hug those curves? Do bougainvillea grow here?
They
What
do.
you call it?
Is it bougainvillea?
Yeah.
Oh, I
you're on
thought
the
you
right
said
take.
bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea.
There you go.
It's like this color.
Yeah.
And I like this color. That up against the white with the green, pink for Retta. Tammy is gonna love the black trim, I hope. I'm going for a classy farmhouse look, but totally updated. And while the painters get that going, the contractors are laying out the base cabinetry in the kitchen, and I've got a really great plan to make this one of the most unique kitchens I've ever done.
3, 2, 1, drop it.
Oh my gosh, look!
Oh, that's unbelievable.
I love the green doors.
Yes!
Wow.
Yes! And I know you said no black, but I like the black.
The sophisticated version of
It's
what
like
you had.
modern and cool and hip.
Landscaping's unbelievable.
The landscaping steals the show. We've got these gorgeous foxtail palm trees on both sides of the house that balance it in beauty and really make this feel like paradise. It hides you out, makes you feel super private. The bougainvillea adds the most vibrant color to the entire look.
I think it's amazing. It had just great curb appeal. Awesome. I love the black
I
trim.
love it. It's beautiful.
You are now truly the most beautiful house in this entire neighborhood. Like, just from the outside. And they have no idea what's going on inside. You ready to see the inside?
Let's go see it.
Walk slowly and open them up.
Holy smoke. Kidding.
My God.
Oh,
My.
No.
Wow.
it looks so much bigger, too. It's incredible.
This is not my house. Our house. Sorry, honey. Oh, I love it. And I love the green.
I love the green. I love
Yes.
Holy there's a wall there. Did you just realize that?
No.
Oh, I'm the idiot. Okay.
Your walls go to the ceilings now.
It's close. There's privacy on the other side.
And the periscope is gone.
Well, we call it the kitty condo. This was a really big challenge. Retta and I were sitting here trying to figure this out for a while, but I think we found the solution, and I think it looks really good.
Oh, and the fireplace that was so ugly. Look at it. We didn't even use it because you couldn't see it. It was just kind of like over in the thing. And now, like Christmas, I can hang the stockings. Sorry.
Don't be
It's just
sorry.
So pretty. Look at this whole flippin' place.
If you remember, you had a weird door here that went into your weird, ugly kitchen here.
Yeah.
that I got rid of. So then I could give you this layout that gave you maybe too much storage.
Look at these cabinets.
Green just like ties in with the doors,
Yes.
the light coming in.
And this looks custom.
It is.
Wow. Look at this
Wow.
island. It's amazing. It's more than I could have ever dreamed in my mind. There is nothing I don't like.